Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another Trade City video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can enter Binance positions using your Tradingview signals. Now the first thing that we need to go ahead and do is we want to go ahead and go to tradeadapter.com. So as you can see, I've just registered an account on TradeAdapter. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the hamburger menu, go ahead and then click on instructions, and then go ahead and then click on Binance and then message generator. So we should be right over here. Now go into your Binance, go onto your trading page, hover over your profile, and then go to API management. Once we've done that, we should be on this page here. Go ahead and then click on create an API key. Make sure it's system generated. Click on next. Label your API key. I'm just going to go ahead and call it Tradingview 23. Click on next. Once you've done that, you should get a pop-up just like this. Make sure that this box over here is unchecked and then click on edit restrictions. Now over here you should see enable spot and margin trading and enable futures. Make sure that you select both of these and then click on save. Now on TradeAdapter, paste in the Binance API key that you've just made and also paste in the Binance secret that you just made. Make sure that real order is selected and select your order type. I'm going to go ahead and then change this to futures and then make sure your order type is on market, generate an alert, and then copy it. Now what we want to go ahead and do is we want to go ahead and go to TradingView. As you can see, I have my indicator opened up over here. Go ahead and then click on strategy tester and you should see a page like this. By the way, this indicator over here with a 99% win rate is currently on sale, and if you want to purchase it, you can go ahead and purchase it at tradecity.ai for a low price of $40 a month. Now what we want to go ahead and do is we want to go ahead and then click on add alert, and then we want to go ahead and make sure that it's on order fills only. Paste in the code that we just made with the message generator, and for the name just put in whatever you want. Now here's where the important part comes in and where TradeAdapter becomes really important. You want to go ahead and go to your TradeAdapter dashboard and copy your webhook URL, and then you want to go to your TradingView notifications and you want to go ahead and then paste it in. Once you've pasted it in, you can go ahead and then create it. Every time you get a signal, no matter if it's a short signal, a long signal, or even a TP signal, it will automatically execute on Binance just like this. So as we can see, this trade was from my indicator not so long ago and it's already executed. If you need any help with this, go ahead and join my Discord server and feel free to subscribe if you want to support me and if you want more high quality videos just like this one. Have a great day and bye.